was an immense amount of work rate, but this is the moment. This is the moment. That is a corner all day long for Qatar. The entirety of the ball has gone out. That goal for Ayman should not have stood. It does stand. And
could this be history for the boys in blue?
We've got a goal, and it is Changte who has put us ahead. Absolutely splendid by him. In the right position, at the right time, and when the opportunity fell to him, he's buried that with conviction. Superb by Changte.
Put an end to a goal drought, and the Blue Tigers roar once again. A new dawn of Indian football. And Changte gives thanks to the Almighty, because it is a big send. Be heard all the way from Doha to Delhi, as loud as it has become over here, to make a comeback. They qualified. The stakes are low for them, but here they come once again, and set piece by Brandon Fernandes. In goes the ball, and it has been headed out. Chance on the volley from afar, and it goes over the net. And here comes Qatar. Promising looking ball. Here's the shot, and
as well. He's got an immense amount of work rate, but this is the moment. This is the moment. That is a corner all day long for Qatar. The entirety of the ball has gone out. That goal for Ayman should not have stood. It does stand. And thrust, though, one has to say, in the last 10 minutes.
Here's the run. Cut back. Could have been faster. Colasso still has the ball on. And I think this could be a heartbreak for an Indian side that has fought so bravely tonight. They've been robbed of this first goal, but this one, fair and square, from the Qatari number 10, Bassam Al-Rawi, beating Gurpreet Singh Sandhu on the left side and scoring from outside the box. He beats Mehtab as well. The back three horrified at the sight of this. And Bassam Al-Rawi, he's had a bad day in the office, but he's going to be happy about this one.